Hi guys, we're going to harvest my Jack Pig Lantern pumpkins. Pwede na sila because they're already brown. Yung stem nila brown na. So pwede na sila i-harvest. Iba iiwan natin dyan kasi medyo malambot pa sila. Pero itong dalawa, medyo matangkad na yung kulay. Pwede na sila. Ayan, kaisa na tayo. Cute. Itong isa. Cute. Actually, this one is turned. Ready na din. So, kunin na natin. See, I can see the vines already yellow. Pwede na silang kunin. Ayan, mayroon na tayong tatlo so far. Oh, cute. Ready na sila. Ayan guys,